how to configure SNMP settings on a Brother device. Open a web browser and type your Brother device's IP address in order to access its internal web server. If you see a button labelled Open Secure Login, please click it. This might send you to a security warning message. If it does, find and click the button or link similar to this one. This will reveal another button or link that you will need to click in order to continue. Despite any surrounding warning messages encouraging you not to continue, clicking it to access a Brother device is completely safe. Doing this will send you back to your Brother device's internal web server, where you will need to type in its admin password and click the login button. From the navigation menu, find and click the network button. Then click the sub-network button. From here, click the protocol button. Then click the advanced settings link next to the SNMP option. If you are accessing your device's internal web server through HTTP, you will see this message encouraging you to use HTTPS. To ignore this message and continue, select the Omit Certificate option. Then click the Submit button. From here, select which version or versions of SNMP you want to use. In this video, I will explain each one, starting with versions 1 and 2 for both reading and writing. After making this selection, type both the SNMP GET and SET community names. GET means reading data, and SET means writing it. Then click the Submit button. In order for the new SNMP settings to take effect, you will need to restart the Brother device by clicking the Yes button. To use only SNMP version 3 instead, select this option. You will notice that there are more settings in comparison to using versions 1 and 2. This is thanks to version 3 being more secure through encryption. To get started, type the required username. Then specify the authentication protocol. Next, enter the authentication password in both of these boxes, followed by selecting the privacy protocol. Underneath, type the required privacy password in both of these boxes. Lastly, type the SNMP v3 context name. When you are ready, click the Submit button. For security purposes, it is recommended to disable the following protocols if they are not being used. Once you have made the required choices, click the Submit button. In order for the new SNMP settings to take effect, you will need to restart the Brother device by clicking the Yes button. At the time of making this video, Brother devices also supported the ability to use SNMP version 3, as well as to allow read-only access via versions 1 and 2. To use it, select this option here. Type the SNMP version 1 and 2 GET community name, then move on to the SNMP version 3 settings To learn what they all mean, please rewind this video to the SNMP v3 only section. Thank you.